How's it going, everybody? I'm Jason and welcome to the Review Suite. This is the iPhone SE, and in 2019 it's still a pretty fantastic phone. Now, it doesn't have a lot of premium features that you would get in the newer iPhones, but in today's video I'm going to show you how to add wireless charging to your iPhone SE for the cheap. So the item I have for you guys today is the Gazeon Wireless Charger Receiver. Essentially what this is a Qi wireless receiver with a lightning connector on the bottom. So real quick, we're going to just connect this to the iPhone SE just like this. The great thing about this receiver is that it does not add a lot of bulk to your phone, so you can easily slip this in a case. So it's kind of hard to see it, but there's a slight bulge there, but it'll be okay. And there's a closer look. So you still have access to your headphone jack there, and this lightning port doesn't really protrude. So now that we have our wireless charging receiver installed, we're going to need a wireless charger. Well, Gaze was also kind enough to include the Gaze Pad Pro. This item doubles as a mouse pad and a Qi wireless charger. Let's get into it. Make flat life funny. Haha. Now, for reference, this item does come in black, gray, brown, and midnight blue. There's that G for Gaze. And Gaze desk branding at the bottom. There's an LED here to let you know whether or not if your device is charging or if it's in the wrong spot. Now, if you look close at the threading, it stops right here and right here. And these are where the USB Type-C ports are. Now, there's two USB Type-C ports here, but you only need to use one. Let's get them plugged in. Got an iPhone SE with the Gazeon Wireless receiver, and let's put it on. Boom. There it is. Let's get a little closer for reference. Let's do it one more time. Cool. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you add wireless charging to your iPhone SE. The Gazeon is an awesome device to have if you want to add wireless charging to any of your old school iPhones. I mean, for $10, it really adds a lot of value to your iPhone experience, especially if you are using an older iPhone like the iPhone SE. Again, the iPhone SE is a great phone as is, and adding the Gazeon wireless receiver just makes the iPhone SE that much better. What I like most about the Gaze Pad Pro is that it looks very stylish for your desk setup. And with the variety of colors, you can pretty much match it with any setup. But that's going to do it for me, guys. Again, big thanks to Gaze for sending us these products to review. We greatly appreciate it. If you found this video helpful or informative, please let me know by hitting that like button. Let us know down in the comments below, is it worth it to add a wireless receiver to your older iPhone, or should you just go ahead and upgrade to the newer iPhones with built-in wireless charging? And if you want to see more affordable tech products reviewed, hit that subscribe button. I'm Jason, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.